In this video, I will show you how you can add a debit card or credit card to Samsung Pass Autofill on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on More Security Settings. Now on this page, just scroll down and you will find the option for passwords, passkeys, and autofill. Now just tap on it, and from here just tap on Samsung Pass. Now just confirm your action using your fingerprint or your lock screen pin. Now after that just scroll down and under private info just select cards. Now from here you can either scan your debit card or your credit card to add it to your Samsung Pass autofill, or you can just select add using NFC, and by selecting this option you can tap your credit card or your debit card at the back of your phone to add it directly to your Samsung Pass. Also, you have the option for add card manually. Now let's add the card manually. Now in this section, just enter your card number. After you enter your card number, then just enter the expiry date of your card. Now in this section, just enter the cardholder's name. You can enter anything in this section. Now after that, just enter the name of your card. This step is optional. For example, I'll enter this name. Now you can enter your billing address over here, but this step is optional, so you can skip this step. Now just tap on save, and as you can see, we have successfully added our debit card to our Samsung Pass. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.